खुश रहो बिटिया. दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथडोलॉजी. प्रोग्राम नेम BSc B.Ed PCM फिफ्थ सेम, and session of today is pedagogy of mathematics. Course of today is pedagogy of mathematics and session is Venn diagram. So today I am talking about Venn diagram. So learner, you all are knowing well about the various operation on sets like union and intersection. Suppose we have two sets A and B, then its union will be A union B is equal to X, such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This is the definition of union of two sets. In same way, the intersection of two sets, if we have two sets A and B, then the intersection of both set A intersection B is equal to X, such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. It means both have common elements. So Venn diagram is a logical relations between the finite collection of different sets. These diagram depict element as point in the plane and set as a region inside closed curve. A Venn diagram consists of multiple overlapping closed curve, usually circle, each representing a set. The point inside a curve labeled S represent element of the set, while points outside the boundary represent element not in the set. This lends to easily read visualizations. For example, the set of all elements that are member of both sets S and T, that is S intersection. It is there there is common elements in S and T, is represented visually by the area of overlap of the region S and T in Venn diagram. The curves are overlapped in every possible way, showing all possible relations between the set. There are thus a special case of Euler diagram which do not necessarily show all relation, but some relation it shows. There is some example in front of you. So this is the example of some Venn diagram. First figure, there is two sets A and B. So in this case, area of union of both set A union B is equal to area shaded by horizontal lines or different way. Next, A union B, again here there is two circle, it is overlapped, so area of A union B will be the shaded region by the horizontal line in this case. Next one, area of intersection of two sets A and B. So here A intersection B, area shaded by the check. Horizontal and vertical both lines make a check strip which is black in the scene or common strip, that is the area of A intersection B. That is the area of A intersection B. Next is next page is again we have two different sets which is in front of you and showing the A and B are disjoint set. Here two sets is different and different shaded, then its intersection is null set. It is because there is no common region between A and B. Next, next is A union B union C. Shaded area is shown by the A union B and union C. Similarly, A intersection B intersection C, again shaded area, very small strip which is enclosed by three circle. This is the shaded region and this is the intersection of three sets. Next one is the A minus B difference of sets, area shaded by the horizontal line. This is the figure of A minus B. In set A, all elements of B is taking out and A minus B is the shaded region in the figure 5. In next figure A minus B, when B subset of A, B is completely insert in A, then B subset of A and A minus B will be the area of all shaded region by the horizontal line except B. Similarly, there is two sets A and B inside the rectangle. A minus B is equal to A, B minus A is equal to B, A intersection B is equal to phi, A minus B intersection B minus A, this is again phi. It is because A intersection B does not have any common element. Next one, A minus B area of horizontal line, B minus A area of vertical lines. So A delta B, this is symmetric difference, A minus B union B minus A, it is also a shaded region. Next, A dash, this is the complement set, A dash, except A, all lines, tilted line is represented this area. Next one, A union B whole dash, disjoint of A union B is equal to again shaded region by the horizontal line. So these are the figures of Venn diagram or logical relations between two or three sets. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you very much. See you.